add the roof or the second floor or the roof floor plan to the top of this. I think we have to make a flat roof, but if you want to make a footprint, I also provided another video. You can go to the channel, and or I will put it in the card above. Now let's go to roof floor and add a roof, or I will also use, maybe you can use a floor or a roof here. You have maybe to add the roof by footprint, and also do not define the slope to make it flat, but I will go now in this tutorial to architectural floor. And now this is important that you have to choose the big wall, because we have also the walls with the structural and the finishes. So I will choose these walls, but also you can see here that we have an important issue, which is extend into wall to core. If I do not click it, you can see that it will be in that side, but this is not accurate actually, because we have also, as you see in the previous, that we have to extend these floors to the finishes. So I will come from here. You can see that you have the hidden line, so you have to choose this one in this case, because I want my floor to be extended to the finishes or the last of the structure. And if you want to change that, you can play with the extend into wall to core or something like that, or play with the floor lines once you finish. But in my case, I am interested in that, and I will show you why I am doing that. If I click OK, it will ask me if you want to attach the walls to this roof or floor. I will not attach it now, and I will choose no for that. And as you see here, if in the 3D, I will have this one, because I want to attach them manually now for these walls, which are the interior. So now I want to go to ground floor and have a section here. So I will create a section here and double click here to see what we have in this section. As you see, we have this floor and this floor and these walls, and they are interacting with each other, but this line must be removed. How we can remove that? We can remove that by going to modify and then join geometry. I will join this floor with this wall, and as you see, it will be removed automatically. And also for this one, I will do the same, and also for the ground floor, I will do the same, and also here. And as you see, if I turn to fine, you can see that this is the correct way of joining the floor to the walls here or at the top. But now, as you see, the interior walls also is interacting with the roof or the floor. So we have now, maybe I can now choose this one and attach top base, and then choose the wall here. And also for the others, maybe you can also, for if you have a bigger project, you can select all instances visible in a view, and by one click you can attach them to the roof. And if I make a section box here, I don't know if the section box is appeared here. Let's see. We have to find the section box here, but it is not appeared. So how we can appear that? By coming here to reveal hidden element, you can see that we have this section box that already hidden. So I will unhide this and then re-click on the reveal, and let's make a section box here to be sure that everything is okay. I think that all the interior walls, but maybe this is exterior walls, so all the interior walls are attached to the floor. This is good, so I will go back and uncheck the section box and then go back to the ground. Let's hide that HH also to have this plan. Now something important that I want to, maybe these hatches came from the top of the roof. I will choose now this roof. You can play with the, let's say, the material of the roof, because the material, we have some hatches here, so you can simply now maybe remove these hatches or choose another one, because if you see that we have exterior decking default, if I came here and you can see from the graphics that we have hatches here, if you want you can remove it or change this one, only this one, to maybe another floor, let's say concrete, or another floor like that. And if I go, also I have these lines which are not, I don't know why we have them now here, maybe because of the view range or something like that, but it is not important. You can select it and also edit type, and let's go to the tiles. Maybe you can use this in the bathroom, for example, and click none button for that type, and you will get a good idea here, a good result of what you want. This is an important issues for the representation of your plans. So now we have done with the plan.